kithurano-ini kingi. Karibu sana utuko baruari tutharimi kwithirwa turi na Senator wa Meru Bwana Sen Linturi kumia kinyanga Meru Bwana Senator, lakini karibu sana na pole no tuba safari.
Ibwega Bwana Martin nabwenda kinya Meru no nto wangirisi emurungu no nto no atuma kinya Meru na ndeya muno no nto no mpete nafasi ya na wandingira mapema wambira wenda mbaranirie na Meru imwe kweme kiri TV yetu ya werwa na ntikwendete kuleti down na kuleti ya Meru no ntinko by anxious kweria kumenya bwako kuendelea na nikio ndo ndasiumia na naambia Mungu asante no ntoba unkinya urobwa no ntu kuona nkuria mbunge muno ntikwendete wita kana kuma mbunge ntari kia kwaria maoni yakwa na ya Meru bandurite na kueleza mauntu buraya ukari kinya kithira mwichone mbumire mbunge tha 12:30 rira antu bakuendelea tukwaria na nio kyatumankinya mapema thai.
So kura antu ndona bakiuri mitandaone Senator kuringa kura no nturetu itirwe ka sauti kayo karende kana katu karekuo kakare kuma
mwenda ni Martin ye kuya kwaria na Meru na ndikoyera kwina maana nkurugia wita kuria mwanga kutuka utuku ndemo kinyao kuringa kure mwe na ntote ya kwina defender wakindigi nkuruki ndene Meru kana kungi nkuruki yakwa na urandarawa na nuyurendaria properly ndene ya mbunge. So mbumire mbunge no ntwa interview no to me was very serious na ringi ugia kurirwa ni ndi musiasa for some time na imbiji mantu yotarakura na bura ndambire kuona na kuelewa no ntu nyarukiria antu ibo kamatite bai kwenyombe emwe bakethwo ngondu na bonde bakara na ndamenya kura itusindi kinyego renda TV ne na rukirimbure kindike utiro kinyara torache na Mount Kenya East MPs ndaura theminyotetheka. So the most important thing yora wironkiwa ndewa majority baburi kwa wakanya kwa na minority ke basinda na minority ke na si yao what I meant kinya batu kinya kudatura antwari kana batatu itwetekirwe tuwe twari mathwani yetu na tweke Mount Street na uma. So mbumire uno ndo ba importance irango attribute akiri rwari na nkemenya already antu over 54 iba ukari ba utarwa umwe baba karinga bange ba intimidated na story shonde na ntewe de kuri mo tubonge mo important ke kurunga mambere tumera ndene Kenya na Senate na nkari orambarerie so kampone ngate gita nontu ndambo de itangare mo kinya na kure mo ite change anything and I've been very clear kuma tene oro kinya barwera ngwanda andikiri ni speaker ni kangata I made a reply na ndeleza issues yakwa so I've spoken about this thing nainya na the loudest voice possible and I have no regrets sia kwithira ntu ukarikuo ndinga kura nontu this is the time very important irambagire kanya kueleza time nontu tikwana mbona kanya kwira Meru urakukarire na brane ndi tubwiri kwambiria kwithwanire bautu twingwa turi Meru
sure niko da twari mantu kwithwanire burato kwithwanire na urabo kubanga ya tengere ba Mount Kenya East but first yoro ni buraritie kire weru TV wa aurengi na bwatanirite na bunge ba Mount Kenya East na yoro barua ya diulu kama mitandaone ya Irungu Kang'ata utumirite ruare ye kuna ya diulu nka ye uro chokeretie Irungu Kang'ata na kiri barua yeji nukwa kiri miambo ya ndiki ndi kuona ni miambo miambo katue ina asira na miambo ukara yaka kinyawo muritana mantu yamwe yakati kumenya I don't know purpose kana tumikia kuandika barua kana chokirira na miambo miandikite kana the writings kiri barua nimbi
itomi ni kwethira you see there are a lot of respect ki structures na due processes na sheria no kya kwa ilia imbitikitie rira Meru bonere mithika no mthuru wa senator kako kintu bonere special ki unique candidates braba ngi bario na one of my major roles and duties iko defend interests ya antu ba Meru bonde arabari katiba ya Kenya na sheria so rira okuona Kang'ata amandika dharua ambira kukundizaindwa I must attend the Senate and vote in a particular way udendo kiki nginduritie kuruki ya kiu no ntoigwa Meru ingombe bathurire itibwiri antu atibwiri kuthwania mithika atibwiri kwa nafasi etarungamera erwa thungutha atikia makiure whether mantu yamea kana ya thuki kabwiri kuthungutha. I don't think that is the leader the Meru people expected me to be, and that's why in protest ndibure kanka muhandikira nke muheleza the constitutionality ya issues ira akwenda ndungama nacio na ndona ni bora important ite on record no do very important no do dictatorship ni uyahambira iriao na if not resistant mapema. That's how you find that the democratic space ira na freedoms ira tungini through our new constitutional honda ikasionde erunded na cielos. So I found it necessary undi mueleze why I felt musimamo yu ya kwerwa yuntete kaniria yu nonto ko the ikiama gikuwa nge expect nonto de muntu senior de ne kiama na nyampati organs ila sibweri ku decide ku make such decisions imburi go that in such a meeting. So there has never been any governing council or the musema nione committee arato hariria twinde no take possession yo musimamo yo kiama kenda mbirwa woni nko flauti musimamo totikaniritie lakini antu baire bathatu kana antu bogiti kana baina story cio bakarande one night baetikaniria bo tukwenda ayumbe baringiri kura baina interest ya represent antu na mbunge expected either vibrant na antu kwenda divergent of opinion ikeda ni housing chamber for debate iranto bombo persuade one another to take a certain position out of ora muntu e persuasive enough. So musema kuwa weto ndinge kura na njira fulani me I can't do it ntumeke no ntunyane ku interfere na independence of parliament na independence ya mind ya habunge no ntu habunge nende kura braba kuringa. And by the way parliament ya kulukirie the Parliamentary Immunities and Privileges Act nikenda muyumbirira onde akiaria aende ne mbunge atakaisio la nyuma akiora cia no mwailetie na ne ataomba kuthithwa because that's why there is immunity rira kindi on the debate yo kware nontu kinyama ntu yo karika no kathithia utiomba kuthitangwa yo koti nontu that parliamentary privilege na immunity ra. So it is not correct kuera muntu muyumbe okiuma etoringe kura na ontu fulani imbetegetie mantu apate discipline na kiama na kini parties must embrace dialogue and democracy and divergent opinion na kwa atuika antu baeta bakariria batika position. So there was no party position ira kana meeting ira yetanira itikaniria kenda tuwa imubango party kwa ngata nwe ngo andikiro tuko nenda kutona ne party position. I cannot agree na such situations. I am sorry no to that is kana ko wete kiria ukoloni bucho karinge na such overcharge ni bwiri kwa resistance.
So senator demo dile to arena wao chuko Jumapili no karea ko insinuate thine yonde ya kiama kia Jubilee na thine yonde ya ambunge na maseneta kwethire ya kaba kwa mtoba hivi na remote humanity na president. But ruari kiri speech ya Honorable Senator Kindiki awire we atena thina na president na kumenya antu babu mwinjira marina na awa barekera bonde na very categorically awa atena thina na president uwe thina kuna president
my friend, let me tell you, I have no personal problem with the president myself.
Political problem.
Utire thina ndi nawo na I have imbueta maitam hingi mno to the extent that uru na kwenda mbiro siya pasi mbunge na ira siko meant to facilitate Quran this country na for the good of the country with andeo and I vote with for the views ira si sawa na itina issues. So don't try to mistake that whether no oppose your president akuwa ni a personal problem na etera onanwa eri president ukuwa by the way no kuwa etera president ukuwa you know people antu bare banga maundo bake apakuwa president and do are don't go take and I have no apologies to make. Maybe our understanding and our interpretation of things is different. Kana utu kendekera akuwa no ambere na redia president ya amore atena thina, so I don't know, I can't speak for him no that raria but kinyare ambaririe mbungene mbere kwethre imbibiruwe kangata bora waboya our problems ya kindikesi na party linda no ndira ko move a motion no to motion etoka particularize etoka na issues ira na problems ira na changes ya kindike awere ni kwa disloyal to the party leader. Party leader is the president of this republic. Na kangata ai majority whip na no move motion na kiwa ali move under instruction a party. Then it cannot be speaking kana infant na kwa hariri ya representa mtungi. So ikiwa ndo ya mndonga mere uni mbugere kato halelia na ndaya na history and betrayal in this country. Na ndawa the first assassination, the first betrayal ya Mumero na Kindiki wareka kwa assassinate na politically na kaya have betrayed by a man that he served so well either in presentation at the high court, in writing the constitution na manifesto ya Jubilee. Kwa huu it is not tikaya kwa mahanto ya Meru ni history kuirepresenta. So in the context that integoment discussion na wadira Kindiki baharitie kanabuwa kuiranite nkea ila sia sentiments na pronouncements sia linda majority whip na linda o majority fogisio na kangata in my mind nte na doubt kako support the position irante kire kuha uru kana president noe utombitreruare no utokaria tukengerawa noe urungamirite na githoka awateri mauru ni ODM, right? Na noe awete kibanga kungera one of us, and I was quite passionate about this one.
So about ODM, interest ya ODM kile kuinga Kindiki nimbi nondo abondani bakuwa Kindiki na aritete ngwewe ya Senator Bobwaya, and from where I sit na urambonete kile uringi kura na kile siasa cha Kenya. What I know ni ati opposition opposition means kureana exactly. So bali mpapati kwethera bakireana na thirika. So interest ya opposition nimbi kile manto yayo and then onto rira minority whip akoroma kaua Senator Kindiki nurizite ngwembeya, but kiama and all that interest ya opposition kile manto ya ne yariko nimbi.
So bwana Martin kankwire charuruku no kya kwahirwe ni anybody. Number one bitikanitie kiama te muntu mwete individual. Kiama ni kiuthurano kia antu baingi baraba in my ideas ba ku promote democracy ba usis kwerio shwa kweria agenda yoki wananchi na iba opportunity ya ubaritira ngwe through ubaringira kura democratic le bakoya thirikari. So nikyo kiama na kiama ki mechanisms kiama kirene ni subscribers by ideology ya kiama na for that matter kukario no kemenya political parties act nyaboreja akire parties rware ntuguisia ya wa fanda wa ni exchequer kanimbe cha thirikari no ntuituenda kunde linki ownership ya kiama from individuals to the masses. Kwa huu rato kwa manto abiama kinya muntu ra munini ro ringire kura Jubilee na buri kwitha ena say ndene kiama puraki kuranwa na ki positions misimamo ira kiwika. So kiuri ga ku Jubilee ni hata kana interest siambi sia opposition. Remember anto abo opposition ni anto very bitter no onto for the last 10 years batura kana nya miaka 15 linda opposition itaraki baki miaka hayo 5 Uhuru first term nengi. I feel very frustrated not to baton opposition yourself into those leadership positions, not to batay opportunity na can only be blamed and to bautu to support the thirikari kana Uhuru kwa president wetu. Now that they have managed to isolate, right, kana kuendia chuki na mbimwanka president wengwa adhura kinya his own children then kiama baina idea that no boy this opportunity na ba seize moment ye no ndo ba selfish political interests yo personalized don't watch wakanya kakwambiria kuibanga no ndo bakoya thirikari na rabetete no Uhuru wengwa kana party leader akundecide now atithikira nto sober minded barabari bakamwira hauma baba ina ururu bwawe no ntuzo inyogona nkari repain no to the journey we have worked together kuma 2002 mwankaruare isafari nda yamuno utombombo nya uni ndio mwa muntura ureyirero kana baba kwende Uhuru hai no nto ba selfish interest opportunities no nto history yoni nkaina kuiba kwenda immediately. So why ODM bakuthithia mantu yeu is no nto na nia kwambiria na kwendea ku iyaka nontu ba lack of better ones agwenda kuithia nyombe we na tena kiao na rendo miithaniria na twana na baina na everybody else apate linda kuthukia kuithia Jubilee. So kiao kiomba kuma hatia kwa tuka wenu kwenda kuimbom ke arushababu tikabu kuongele nyambo mwingi wasi ukaimbo kabisa ukathira wa mwero opportunity. So
in this case
so, no opposition no though you know it a very solid party iwito Jubilee iformate government in a leadership na tina problem lakini no kuona iba umbete kuhadhura na kiama completely that bado to directionless na tutenambi. So you know it is the happiest moment ya anthro opposition ibonde no ndito kwenda kuingera what they are doing ni utuongera madaka ya osiura nayo and they have no apologies to make because bauto tu ingwa ito tuetetie. That's what I ibombe mkiona manto yakari.
So Senator, where are the numbers ile tuibirwe boy na chiro terero enu in most cases in my time ingi sana bitwe Senator Murkomen akiwa tu na enough numbers bachara gay bakuwa na tu
numbers yambi there's never been
any
we carry against what
against and tubaba kwenda kudangala ne ruterero enu.
Remember there's never perception nyombo na mwantu bakita direction no there's never been any contest between or amongst us within Jubilee. Uti contest there don't know to mtu usindana nonge na mtu aenda space yo. So when you talk about numbers my are kangweleza in terms of numbers to demonstrate to numbers nonto kura isi haringirwa na that 80 senators abunga I think 176 one Jubilee. So whatever we want in parliament for the good of the people we can pass nonto Jubilee as a coalition in enough numbers to push government agenda. To me if those are the numbers that I am aware of. So numbers ingi nto jena ngwambe in what context ukuwa inamba ile kukuuriria then I may be able to answer.
Well, numbers tia tanga kuicho
is tanga political party? Is it a wing
function of the party?
So those are the imaginations that you people have. No nto but such idea security division within Jubilee na no nto niyo yatumikite muhangane ndi ukona kiama no ntuba kuri akurais above those petty perceptions ya kwa kiama independent between what. How can there be divisions pronounced kai kumenyekana na kuenda competition between the president and his deputy? It has never been there. Kinyaruto wa muona nareta wengwa I don't find any stand any one time a contradictory position ya president. In case nwe kinyake yarambene na yaka litambesha akawa ndatu mu president ndadhizo MBCT. So part of the problem we having ni kwethira we have accepted a lot of rumor and propaganda to the extent that you tuthukiria kiama kia to tweet kite so much time kwedi kumbirundi. It's really unfortunate.
See now Senator ende au wonchanganya nonto exactly the nanimbi okay akwithwa deputy party leader atena thina na
probably I can be able
party leader what's the name
kankwere thina tika kwenu kumimenya lakini I can imagine because I can think.
Go for it.
And what I think could be the problem is ikimiru bianco dhwane nibyo byomba kwetha kwena thina. Number one that was State House one time President Uhuru wengwa atwire turekana mantu amaingi no yakethera ukalindi campaign ya Mheshimiwa William Ruto itene ya kurira cigite. President Kenyatta in his time naichi na uha ngema yonde na bure na kura ikwawe uni njewe na ate is the undisputed leader. No the undisputed no president na no leader wetu wa this region. Now considering yora maundu ya wita nonto wa probably na ngore anko dhwania nonto wa ise access to the deputy president members of parliament no ni ibeda irabai na lot of ease como access State House tekinyika ne tumba kuwatka na raisi na wewe ngo with the authority of the president to State House na wura bahabwe kwa dabo na issue mambo yenu endeni mwambie William so ayumbe no ntobo mwathikira batwire wita fithifile ki William but you see now ora mauntu yetere then anto pa create connections yo na betikaniria na bona imuntu bomba kuritanira nwe ngwisa sawa. No, I think that is what might have angered the president. No, ndo uruto can excellent be accessible na acceptable then ngema batitaniti no uru na atekuri ko mutuma kendeta on a ground cannot anto pambondikiria. These are my thoughts. Ni bonko dhwania na hiyo omba kwithira ya muthuria. Number 2, ukemenya ni muntu witite exit. Anto gete the exit power enda koya block he utumira ku negotiate na Raila na William Ruto huu kana ine bodeos akiwa imbagie kwa ya anturande nabo na nonto ndi nabo then itukwenda ndiro. You see now kulingana na rako kuonekana within the Ngema region na Mount Kenya region yaka atena full control yayo nonto ibanto ibomba probably amba kudira kitu anacha na anto no ba penetrate batonya probably you ya mudhuriti. But you see bautu nobody has a problem kinyaga that neka kuenda ku negotiate ndiro na kabu kukama out clearly akawendiro akwenda ku negotiate to karande to kuhariria no ndo mando ya yonde na denide ku atatwira this is the way we want you to go, this is the line you must do reu utuika one direction na bwadhi ata bwarea. That is when you would be sent to defy president lakini uti such a thing ya happening. So anto no ndo ba ku interact freely freedom of movement speech na nini we are enjoying serious and democratic space amongst ourselves. I think ni kwa mistaken ukarakai form of defiance.
Okay, so bwana Senator Babwe buki interact freely na deputy president Ruterero apparently kure antobangi na baku interact freely na president ni ubroka boki siasa bukuonekana
umbroka boki siasa butemenya kura no ntukinya meanya mtu andishiki umbroka era nene nkuruki na na dinauma we must also give him his credit. No nto he has managed na chumete na kadithia na kundestroy kiama na kinya history yangu ibubwiri umialilia na nya ondomba acha ndongo kwira no ntukinywa mo okaheta ke history okailia interaction chiawe kuma itara fund itara nyethe areo handify theba bathukana form ku NDP kuma NDP ku makano atiame destroy kuma NDP batonya na naki areta dinande na kibage batiana then ya kuform kiama kiawe last time ziba koza na wetangula right now the work in Jubilee he has destroyed Jubilee na kendo menya conmanship wa ndongo kwira uru na kwenda nambasi akiwa siamutethia utumira lakini ya mwera signed post coalition agreement tutikaniri tukuritangwe he has refused. Okay, so if somebody who wants to be in government and out of government at the same time no ndo mbage nji Jubilee ate kuenda ya kwedi hata ku associate nao come 2022 or any other time they have together to an election. So kwena theory bingi muno tubwirio theory na tukamenya exactly whatever is being done. No tumbo trust atongeri bande guru nende condition no ntuba common man you cannot na awananchi kwendobera ntuge you must start thinking on the caliber ya ntora tukudhura nende guru no ntuko kyotueka mwananchi kwenda position irainya au express yongwa TV ne kana maoni kitu rendio na manto yange naboko wa ni ubwenda kukarao lakini mukudhurite muntu eto represent lakini we antarungama na mwananchi ro mwete kanya kwa service no musafu ni interest ya muntu mausafu surely where are we ending to? What is the need whether parliament kera where institution ya ku defend aki siam oraia niyo ina duty ya kudhidi oversight ya national expenditure national government na niyo national government niyo spend ambecha na implement projects. So then it means that the capacity of our parliaments to exercise oversight rule over the national government right now forget it ya wananchi but we expect anything in terms of accountability in terms of oversight by parliament over the national government.
So Senator tukirikiria nonto ntinyari na kwenda kuthiria nteto njirerengi kurari na fununu chia maseneta bakuorotwa for example ruari kire kuringa kura mbiberwe Senator Omanga na bange bakuorotwa kinyoba kiringa yes by support motion kwena kama intimidation kana kulazimika
that time ndagura anti bawegero bunduki kiongo na kuona muntu area position ye aditherenge then nuburi kumenya there are very many underlying factors iri ku influence ura muntu akuthinga kura. Na I can tell you kinya kura ira 54 nonto no thikiririe muntu akiaria wengwa aigura Kindiki bwe yangu ino ritete accomplice scholar nini utiebwo thithitie lakini twakongera. What should that tell you? We are not voting on the basis ya evidence iretwa na bro witikaniria nonto gukwirwa decision ni migiro somewhere and you must go by it. That's the unfortunate thing. So muntu kathiritanwa na gwiro kawate thwe polisi ogwirwa anga kuri case ukathiate oguba okengwe etine. You see inyakwo ya thirikari takwendite bya twina bio BFA by the way. Turi serve position inere nonto itwaritire mbecha twathura na mobilize anto baningira president urukura no aye kiongozi wetu ra political dividends as shared on earth ona kato hajire utondene yo tongeria intobria twaruyaira. So takubutuko ya wotheri we worked for it. Tukira kuringana gutangura twarite ateke ya president dateke there anything to share. So kinyakethera na inkwenda kwa nantu example na mantu ya siasa ko kana cia cooperative society cia anything okay agutweka no ritete cia kuwekera cia ndathiä samwe kinya gukerwa ko kwingwa ko coka iru into biaku wachogeru ai ukerwa twa kwinga sako neto no ntu wa discipline kana into kenge na contribution yaku oya uchoke ne oboya. So ngira yo tumira position ya olden bratu kwete na paratu kwewe to the extent that to kuiwa kwa abused ko to torture no to treat bra ko te bwiri kwikura and would expect kukeda kwena dialogue na kukeda kwena opportunity yanto kusi express amongst ourselves nikenda position yote ga oteke anto mundu akelewa background. Now tell me wewe bwana Martin kinyake dego kwirwa would you expect me to arrest mando ya good neighborness no kadania ndamba weta woni ko the first one kulita kichio kana bunduki ekuratha Kindiki wendeki is my neighbor mwanki yoka waka komeru no ya utoreria is your next door neighbor. So kinyama ntumaya kwiharirwa kwi other aspects o consider no kere nya muntu ro kwera wa more please on this one kawantia because ndamu nisito kuliko maji.
So Bwana Senator, what's the plan next? No way uka speaker first of all. Deputy speaker.
And by the way, kitika speaker tikake yake nenkanero kana ke appointa ro anywhere. No ntoko notion ne kwa created. Nika anto amongst sitting senators ba apply by express interest to the clerk of the Senate. Uka comply na requirements. Then Marieto yakareto Senate bukaringira kura.
Bomba kura mokareka this time round no.
Someone
is controlling.
It is not possible. Yeah. Kura no lazima tukaringira speaker.
Yeah.
Bura kwa karwa I can tell you. Kaba eta bero ringe onu bukathura I deputy speaker. So bila ke yara ni moko exercise ya kuringa hai kura nonto ikwera nerito no wakara. Kanota na tablanto wana tuko ringe do makte for a very long time. Non to bokwacha muntu ko yana 100% of you kano kurungama within Senate muntu yerwe this is the only candidate urekiri martasi non to nyomba ko wikia ugather you are just wasting time. Not there is nothing special you expect to happen out of the ordinary. Ila to expect and to better baikura. That is most likely scenario. Lakini kitikia deputy speaker we vote as senators kudura speaker wetu. So na aduarwa na yumbe bonde pambothi signs nene ki onto kona Kindiki abugudari impartial apita wa manto yambunge yonde nonto ra ukamatete that office ya speaker utomba kwa fondi you take signs
na nedritori impartial.
He's been very impartial. Okay. That I can tell you for free. Wenye oni atembataka nya kwalia. Yes. Na Linturi na I don't complain. Na renge kwa danu thikirire some of the reasons ira kwengairwa ero akwira wa na vivirie ruling etare to na interest ya kiama. You see in the Senate you don't have parties in mind. Uvota on a matter guided by the standing orders, by the constitution na issues ira poinacho. So now when you are exercising your authority of the office ira okaririte then you cannot be beyond liable not to make a certain judgment or ruling in a certain way. In a civilized democracy, it requires us to go back again to the same authority for review. That decision make it correct. so tumba kwa mtu nathire makosa kwa njanjire mnaita mathoje katuka nganjanjire nturwari nako itere bo na itere onge bo that can never be.
So kiri rwari rwaku kiri Senate na kinyoki arena mongera Nairobi rwari no wetere mantu ya utanwa na kirira kila mtu agaya wa kiri ari barakura. What did you exactly mean kumaanisha ate kiri miambo
na watu kimeru kwa rachi yake no utakuelewa
wonite kuelewa
no utakuelewa ntako bana ombo kwera warari tu so nende this is what I say bayo mera ibatwira kuringa na history ya ndiguru yetu kuri antu batiye kena wika permanent relationships no nto bakuri wika permanent relationships twera wa no bwiri kuthithia some research ukamei community siri kukana na antu kendo tumba kwa mukana na kinyoke akwairwa kabisa kwa nao no bwiri kwa mukongo kwa bairi no ntikwiye kene one time muko waeta neta wati wothei na no bwiri kutua we nae wina mwekuru. This is what I was saying. So it is a musas kana in bondios kuthithia research now kuelewa people that can keep relationships, people that can stand by you because of an agreement that you've made. No ntoba mu kataba yura watanirite nikenda bomba wetanya na mbere na nikio ntokua history has repeated itself no nto na nkwenda kwa na njani na tokinyite ndene ya history ra kuna no ntokinya ndene miru batu no nto we are very trusting or nhambi na kinya ra okuba nkiwa baimunge no ambere baiku mamuidone warero ithirikari ya mbere takwende buri urongo imanto documented oge hako hailia no ndimbure story mbelezenda wa kemikatabera nio ya haidra irekuo muno ya kisiasa na ndikio ndonkura miru tukaveri careful tutuke kuendelea otumairu ou eitare onde no nto batu twatonya thinene itisietu oge there has been accusations cha kwethira cia usalitiana na hambi na ndikio ndokona kinya after Moi Kibaki ayo take over Raila netra akiwa ausalitiwa after Kibaki na Raila kureta thina akiwa kasalitiwa no ntoba kuria kuona MOU itwetere father mbere tu ya kubanga kwa ya thirikari nambi Kalonzo no ntuna atonyerere kwa Kibaki numbers cia kuthithia thirikari no ene expected no ga supportwa kenda aera ici noe etera akiwa re transform manga mapindi ya mwangambi eta na wa akwethia ta ausalitiwa to ya tungetha ringi to watana Uhuru na William Ruto tuendelea tena manga Uhuru president AMB raisi othayu nende story rio ikwarirwa imanto ambitrio no salitiana ringi na nyoga ile story yangu wada yangu elezana hati Kinya Kindiki despite ngwego ndio kwa reno ntunu ibiro timando substantial ya utoma engwa kinya uno saliti so ne unkwenda kuwa nende as we move forward batu tokeri kwa batu turanto bamiru federakanithi embu na bange like minded tumenye nende time has come ya tubwiri kundesign bautwe position ya to ateki na batu kakirithia abo alliances no nto wako ensure interests yetu si taken care of na nonto tutumba nende ku rely on na interests yae na go sifangenero interest na nto bange nonto oge kuona muntu na brato kiwa turi hanto amwe na tutura turungamanite hamwe muge kuona senator bonde ba ekomi banka saindi ngema yonde bonde bakeringa hakuro kiwa orwa mutonyu kwe thithwambi tumi makererwa rento na mantu ya manjabu ya yabu.
So JR kinati ntomarete ariuria since your opposition is next
unto opposition ndo nini
position kanyaku
yes okay
kire committee chia mbunge
yes
na baubange boina bo kire ruterero enu since twanya 22 next tutoka vamiwa reurengi
yes
like we no bwa are you worried?
You see, I will be very worried kwa tuika kandi na problem na nto bamiru. You see, ntetere mbunge ndi chairman yo committee. Right? Kana vice chairman yo committee. Na kuringana na committee ya mbunge, once you are elected a member of parliament, na nonto parliament works through committees. you have a right to belong to a committee. Na ketha kwina democracy kinya mbunge, I can tell you nyakura ikaringo ntebo shindo committee ni ranko enda woni kwa chairman. Lakini yende nondo ne udhalimu kana iko kura kukaritanwa na bunge itiritana wa kura kumania na onde iko yanirwa. If they so wish could constitute committee, ibari constitute because I've right as a political party. Lakini kuwa onde warrant kwengwa committee, forget it. It doesn't give me right any sleepless night at all. And I'm ready for anything.
If axing will extend to the National Assembly, I hear Duale is trembling uncontrollably.
I don't respond to hearsay.
Hello, ongera to Honorable Linturi speaking for the Ameru Nation ne Daniel Kiogora. Na SMS nini ingia au sana bwana senator, but now rutere rwa deputy president na rutere rwa Rais Uhuru Kenyatta no nturukuru iru kuonekana rukwara makinyankuruki again nkuri buku banga plan B, kuna plan B
yambi
maybe wetakiamene kingi kana kuretaliate kana deputy president kwa mabobo kuona at some point maybe akareact manto ya na president
ndakwira atiri ndawire asandi Jubilee tutiuma tutiriria tutumba wakanyomba na tumefanisi tumegire itanda bibia arentombrume ongea yatu engakuo. It will not happen. Remember even one time mbonete clip ndi pia akiwa hauwezi kunifukuza kwa ODM unifukuze kwa nini alafu unifuate kwa Jubilee ufikirie utanifukuza huko Jubilee tutiuma. I'm telling you rene amba tu tayari kuamba kuma Magistrates Court mwanga Supreme Court yake akuwa nende tochunwa kama na weta, then we start thinking about it. Lakini for now Jubilee, we are not going out of it, and we believe we have a right to belong to Jubilee. Kinyatha ino nkuriambia chachi yako kin Jubilee every month, because I also believe nyatha hai tukenda kwa soba enough as the leadership na members of Jubilee, we still can salvage the situation.
Okay. Honorable Nelson Koech, from Honorable Koech MP Belgut. Honorable Kindiki, you have our full support. You lost in Parliament today, but you, Kindiki, and the Hustler Nation shall rise again soon. Asante sana mheshimiwa. Augenwarua mheshimiwa, hii lugha okay, ni mtu mbure kedra na kuelewa lugha yetu. John na Petro mchesi arua ongera kiongozi kwa kusimama na Kindiki wa Meru, tuko pamoja. Wengine wakawa nkedheria sana senator, wengine wakawa honorable please during this time keep up siding with our president for the benefit of Meru.
Meru kwa wangu is not a favor. No, the president has a duty and responsibility kuserve wantu bonde ba Kenya. Na president atathurirwa wa Meru. Na kuna notion niyo kara uringa mutongeria kura kenda eta usafu yakakwe favor kwa. No, when you vote you deserve, you have a right to ask for development. Na no kwenda over for free. Utin development boko na rengi. Utikyo, there is no money in this country. The country is broke. Right? Corona niyo, the economy is down, right? There are so many problems that this country has. We only need prayer right now. Bito kwenda imaromba, temantu yangi, temantu yo saint. Iturombe Murungu, sobriety, yada itonyere. Anto barite ngwe baombe kurea taxes to government of Kenya, nekenda ikaomba kundeliwa service. Endo ga utuga wogua usaindi ukarete ndo tie biashara okurita urio woti VAT na kengi utinombe chikauma. Let us be practical, let us be rational. No ntumanduma ya maisha ya kwahirana cia yatio. Na rengira to achenjiri katiba tore tamanda devolution. Ituenda anto ukasumba bobo tura pauma, the more closer you are to the president, the more development that you get. That's the essence of devolution. Yari could demystify presidency na condive resources now on the ground. But also we may not have achieved so much. Nonto wakwethera wananchi batelewa completely na kinya baba kuondi interview batelewa what really those positions were meant to do.
Okay. Bado kiri Facebook kwe mtu woku arisita kiroga dhuku aruwa Honorable Sen Linturi, kudos sir, that was a great day for you in Parliament and we were happy. Kindiki is a great man. Ni kiroga dhuku MCA Chinga Ward Odhaya. I followed the proceedings. Midhika kudos. Stanley Nkadha Majao, Stanley Kaire Diastano Arua Kashron Kabisa Muesh, Anthony Muguna Murerwa Anton Dado Arua. Honorable Linturi brought a KPP party to the people of Meru during 2017 campaigns, nominated over 3 MCAs who are not of Meru origin. What has changed now to fight for Kindiki as Meru leader ends? He did not fight for the Meru people to be dominated by KPP. He also fought Meru not to have one party during 2017 like PNU by fighting Munya all the way. Linturi is self-interest.
You see, we have a problem in this county and the country because some people are so simplistic in their thinking. Some of them known to work with one about suffer some deficiency Badwania kana yenya ya kwithira bari able to meet their own demands, and why with a lot of respect nkuo. You see muntu ntu kuhandikira thimu eukinya nkathoma na twaru ya munya angokuthithia angautano minita muntu ukari andika search message te muntu ukuinyiria na muntu elewa the business that we are discussing about a country called Kenya and how it should be run, how we must proceed beyond imagination yewe, and with a lot of due respect nonto pewa kambelia kura, you know, kura what are you talking about ntemo member nyoke ama KPP, right? Ndako ama Jubilee member party kiama nokuwa bibio amabio huwa kotari nya nomination ya KPP ya just the other day this secondina a nominator wa imetheko nominator atita muri no nominator. You see, so anto ibehele hawe game re usetho imwe cia kisiasa na bareka ku trivialize serious debates yo onto ciao no nto tomirwa mbando na renguo menya ntoro kona yonto tu, for example kwera metheka na ata aure mbunge atireta. You see, kurua bunge kuringa kura ire muno kemenyo rende bulusite na kumatuka kuma Nairobi kweya no tuku kenda wona ndaika 20 that cia kwaria na Meru bera boku kari. What where is value? To me, value is by trying to ensure go catch on time kuna makafyo na others, despite all that nankethera ndede how lakini tekuri why yet you have expressed yourself in all forms, rohariene TV whatever. So I think let us mature politically, let us also work hand na tumenye we can sacrifice, we can changa money to assist a candidate who has no money, who has no ability, as long as has something to stand for, na mundumba kwa farm kiko defend rights ya community. Temno onto work with it. You see, by the way, kinyoke akwa idea history ya nto pamoja popa change ya nonto wawita to certain positions. It leaves one wondering nonto utumbo sacrifice interest ya community nonto wa your own personal interest. Even when I speak so loudly like this, for example, I am aware I am a target. Lakini mando yakwa personal ya tumbo to man compromise certain positions na stand. Ira ngwetikanya nyo, na especially conscious kwa imbira what I'm doing is the correct thing for the people and what I stand for, what I believe in.
Okay. Na kwe mtomo kuwa au manto ya democracy. What do you think about democracy in Kenya that?
The democracy under attack. It's so simple. You see, okay, hotueka hotea warait kana an opportunity to exercise your mind independently, and especially when you hold certain offices like the ones that we do. Kutueka koka hedhare onde ukiaria TV ni au kana ukiaria Senate no kiaki ukumbodha ni how you are likely to rattle, right? Those people that are in other certain positions. That one is a clear indication that we are losing it. Just like when Eitenera kwa ria moi kwa rina ena isetwa special branch or something. Where TV ni au nontu no dia tio to media kwa kana wadia ko ndo watia wathiri mawetereti. So tukaria kurunga makwaria mantu ya very clearly we have lost all the engines cia katiba injaru na tutumba witikiria kuwa turenda kuria in a situation whereby kamwana kamuthini ya mithika kana kamwana onge katiumba ku climb along the land as an tomeru kana ngavana Meru no lazima twarira cia family ira nene cia Meru ira cibatwire bethe ba minister kabana bari na ibantu wetheri bantu angaine urethi bakabere urethi numbers ati no boke the bakenda gwetha na Meru. There must be an opportunity for everyone ukura na ukira depending na ability ya muntu na and by demonstrating kila antura ko enda batongeria ya something to offer.
Okay. Come the realist kire Facebook arua if an impeachment against the DP is brought, what would be the scenario? What would the scenario look like now that some of the DP allies seem to have chickened out?
You see, the motion ya impeach deputy president kana president emotion yubwiri kwithira kinyambere you pass awa yubwiri kwithira in particulars of offenses ira akwa tried for. Now actually impeachment the president and deputy president they almost a trial is a quasi senate that time we can quasi tribunal decide that fate, although it's also a mix of politics na that power ya by katiba na mantu ya impeachment ya mbele in the National Assembly. So ya Senate after National Assembly could demonstrate by na number sidi kuendekana ba substantiate allegations ira ukenda mbele ya kwetu. So we participate in that respect. So kwa those numbers na kuinga deputy president requires 2/3 of the members of, I think it's 2/3 of the members of parliament. But you see now, if we are interested in unifying a country called Kenya, nakeda obo objective ira ya andisheki yari kombiro ndi bridges. I don't think we are building bridges right now. We are destroying the bridges already that have been meant, and I don't think we are doing it for the best of the country. In fact, that attempt where you polarize in the no make to certain other unprecedented levels, and we must be very cautious how we move forward right now. No, to the public discontent maoni ya nahanga ila ina public mayomba kwa behavior yomba kuendelea ya bakinya boiling point.
Asante sana. Bishop Imoro kuma mutwata wa Martin, you're the best in what you're doing. Oh, thank you. Akawa tell the senator that we congratulate him for being himself. Now, Senator, BBI barawere ni choke, barawere rege ni choke teringi, and now that beye takudhoma the art ya maybe urokuwa kumanipulate na kuintimidate and all stuff. Okay, kwithira bakudhoma art yeje kana bakumenya ntaireje ya kurwa na babwe na ntubarabangi bamurengo yenu. Now, this means BBI yeya kana rege choka urabometa ikethro ye free flow.
Not necessarily. No, and I want to really thank the drafters of the Constitution, to aid union against safeguard Kenyans by now. That you cannot never again, you ramble with a number of times, rely on Parliament to articulate kana defend interests ya Kenya. Don't is an appendage of the executive. Na why I'm saying in kudhanki katiba and drafters, no to nende number one, going to mount up to pass any law, and depending on areas, ira constitution ekadra BBI asiki requirement boko areas batachi kwa referendum na siyekeranto. You cannot defend, you can wananchi bunge teo can make ultimate decision ya kuwa this is the katiba we want. It is the mwananchi that will decide by way of a referendum. So but whatever they want to do, finally, and if they touch on those areas, ike yake mwananchi. Mwananchi nwe ukaamua bura akenda either to agree or to disagree with them. Na unfortunately ike ya wananchi baka agree kwa tuwetikana na braba ketha wawite. My business as Senator Meru ikethira ikuhailia katiba birai navo na kuoya ofisi yakwa na nafasi yakwa kupasuendia Meru kira nketha nkiona kite correct ubera mando ya te correct non to by MBCD na mando ya te correct either non to kwenda create ite dynasty na kana bya kwedia ku autoria power anto in power in perpetuity. Yeah, so it can defend na boreke da yandiki nekeya, but we are keen, we are watching.
Kiogora Mbayaru, I believe you me the ouster of Professor Kindiki is a big win for him and DP Ruto in 2022. There are folks who will wonder why they never ended the council to flow with the prevailing wind of change. Congratulations, my Senator Linturi, for standing with Ameru. Do you believe that a win?
Watch my clip. The more today Kindiki, you are more popular. Yeah. In Meru than you were yesterday. And you see, kuna nauro kari kinyanto wetu mene arombi na bake yao. No ntu kithira Kindiki kakura kubwa thithietie. The Merus will not have signed with him. Lakini no ntu kakudhulumiwa. No ntu is the son of a nobody. And anto you are being told upende usipende you must do it. Lazima anto sympathize na. So I believe for a pastor, kwa the pastor wa Kiogora kana no wa I agree with him. I have no doubt in my mind there is something that unforeseen even before I left Nairobi, and I spoke about it in the Senate. No, inquiry or yes.
Okay. Thank you very much, Senator. Look at the MP wa Belgut. Na utona kuma.
Na to dia chamige. Namsalimia kabisa. Na ndugu tutasimama pamoja. Waja tuhakikishe ya kwamba kuna ukweli katika nchi, tutapigania haki, na niwakumbushe ya kwamba kama wazee wale waliopigania uhuru wa nchi hii, hayati Mzee Jomo Kenyatta walifanya kazi, hayati Mzee Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, akina Ndenda Waimungi, akina Mwariama na wengine. Na ndio kama hakufanya hivyo hatungekuwa na nafasi ya kuwa na uhuru. Wakati umefika tukumbuke ya kwamba kupata hata katiba ambayo tulio nayo, akina Mheshimiwa Matiba, Mungu amweke pema, akina Mbamaris, akina Sikuku na wale wengine, akina Getobi Manyara, hawa akina Orengo walifanya kazi na akina Pomwite. So wakati ukifika, and when history is being done, when there is an affront kwa katiba yetu na demokrasia yetu, how many other patriots do we have that will stand up and say no, was not the intention of the people that shed their blood for the liberation of this country.
Okay. Asante sana. Thank you very much. Senator Sen Linturi, Senator wa County ya Meru, nontuba kuona kanya kuyakwana na batwe. Again, for the last time, Jubilee ubanduki.
Jubilee tutekuma hata how kama yetu adabu.
Asante sana. Thank you very much.
Tutana.
Asante sana. Senator na pole nontuba kwenye Ruiru kuma Nairobi makoki ya Meru. Nontuba interview na Arua.
It was important.
Asante sana. Thank you. Asante sana na mutegeri wa Weru TV. Ntinyari netichokete kiwe nikenda omba kwithiro kiria nteto cio Weru tha ithatu. Woni bitwa Martin Wechungi ondola tokari na Senator wa Meru Sen Linturi Ruari kiama kia Jubilee kia kadere Mwangi koroki kire Senate. Na arabebelerie Deputy Speaker niwe Bwana Kithure Kindiki. What next? Ni mbunge nene baduale batina kanya babithika Linturi kire kamiti chio cia Senate. It's a watch and see moment. Iboya sana ntoba kwithira watanite nati. Good night.
Ibega sana Martin Gichunge na nkatho cia mwanya kirigo mutegeri wa Weru TV na ntuba kugwatanira na Weru njuma utuko bwana arwa tuchemania kairi kirenteto cia Weru weekend ntuki ya rojo ithero ina kagita gakega woni mbitagwa Ntinyari Kinywa mwana nirio mathithio okarije Sinta kagwiria.
Ni Weru TV.